breakfast. Okay, so breakfast this morning, very early. Good morning mga kachoknat. We'll have some eggs. And then what's this? Hash brown and potatoes. Scrambled egg, wala pa. Baked beans and tomato. And then, oh, black pudding. That's blood. Bacon and sausage. Hot plate, mainit siya. Tapos may cold cut section. Honey. Honey. Tapos ang dami nilang cereals. Although hindi naman ako kumakain ng cereals. Ayan. Tapos dessert bar. Mga fruits. So mixed fruits. Favorite, pakwan. Melon. And then coffee section. Okay, tapos donuts. Bread. Toast. Wines. Hindi yata kasama yung wines. Tapos drinks. Orange juice. And that's it. Okay, breakfast tayo mga kachoknat. Okay, donuts. Breakfast. Breakfast. Okay, breakfast again.
Can I check the airport?
Okay, breakfast.